Hey guys, this is Anshka Gupta and welcome to my channel Let's Code and Solve by Newton School. I hope you all understood the concepts of what are tuples in Python in last tutorial. Today we're going to study about what are dictionaries in Python, how to sort the dictionaries, how to remove, how to assess it, and how to convert that dictionaries into list bytes. Moving forward, let's know what is Newton School. So Newton School is a platform which prepares you for career in tech. It has courses designed for freshers, working professional and as well as for women with non-tech background. Newton School first trains you for 6 months and then it helps you to become an amazing full stack developer. And the best part of Newton School is that it has a pay after placement program under which you don't have to pay Newton School anything until or unless you placed with a minimum 5 lakh CTC. So let's move to Newton School website. Here you can apply for free and as well as log in and sign up. The top companies are Topper, 7-Eleven, Rapido, Motorola, Xiaomi, Lenskart and many more. Here, log in to Newton School and here it is the Newton School IDE. Okay, so let's move further then. So now we're going to study about what are Pythons or what is dictionary in Python. So moving towards the definition or to the standardized definition of dictionaries is obviously being known. So dictionary in Python is always being unordered collection of item, whereas in the list they are being ordered collection. So creating a dictionary simply as placing the curly bracket, the item is to be placed in the curly brackets where it has been separated by the commas. So separated by the commas, it obviously known that it will be having in dictionary. There is two things to have in a curly bracket, that is key and another one is value. So key and value both are being structured unorderly. Okay, it has been placed in some of the curly braces and after that it has been defined. So with a compound data type, it has a value of each and element has been placed, that is it will be having a key value or a key value pair. Okay, so dictionaries are always optimized to retrieve the values when the key is being unknown. So the value of the data type can also be repeat and it also can be used as a list, float, string and many more. Dictionaries are immutable in nature and how the dictionaries are being mostly used in the Python to create more of the projects and development process. So now comes how we create a dictionary, how we maintain a dictionary. For creating dictionary, it is obviously a simple part to place an items inside the curly braces separated by the commas. Separation by commas and the curly braces, these two things have been important part for creating dictionaries in Python, because if you are not being separating the elements in dictionaries by comma, it will not execute it. Okay, so each element in dictionary it has its own value and a key value pair. So suppose I wrote name is equals to or comma is equals to Anshika, so it is having a key pair and a value pair. Okay, so that how it is being repeating continuously with the a pair structure. So dictionaries, I already told you, it's a immutable type and must be only unique elements. Okay, now comes to how to assess elements from the dictionary. While assessing the elements from the dictionary, it is obviously saying that there should be an indexing done, there should be slicing done, but with the square brackets within that. Okay, there are a lot of time methods in the dictionary while executing that. While indexing, it is obviously used that you have to use the data types. So data types to assess the value as well as the dictionary values, that is key. So key can already be put in some of the square bracket to get or to obtain some get methods. So if we use the square brackets, that there will be some of the type error will be obtaining to us, which means that we are not using at a proper status to that. Okay, so these are the programs we will be using, these programs in our Newton School IIT. So just to assess means we are giving some value and we are getting some output also in that. And assessing is being done in the similar type. So how to change, how to add the element in a dictionary? There are three of the types where the dictionaries are being given as a change or add, with the assignment operator or with the key value operator. So assignment operator, like we can add it, concatenate it, but and even though we can reform it, but with the presence of key, if the key is already been present over there, so value will be getting updated randomly. Or if the else like a new key is equals to new value, it will be given to the added dictionary. Okay, that is not in, like we can add items also, or we can change the value of existing elements also by using the assignment operator. Now comes how we used to do the delete element. How do we delete the element? So by deleting the element from the dictionary, we generally used to remove a particular item and a dictionary by using a method pop, that is a type method of dictionaries. Method pop, then method get, then get from. These all are being the type dictionaries. Next we are going to study the type dictionaries only. So when the elements can be removed at once using the clear method, it means that the function is being removed and function is being deleted from particular element. Okay, so how randomly we delete the element from a dictionary? That means that there is a one method known as the pop item that can be used to remove as well as to return the arbitrary items from the dictionary. That means that we will be raising that dictionary as an empty form to remove something, just to write a proper program to that, nothing else. We don't have to remove by the element by element or the bit by bit from the dictionary elements. It is just to write one like program, that is the pop element, and after that it gonna get you to proper deleting of dictionaries. Now I hope you all understood what are dictionaries and how dictionaries is performed. Moving forward, let's perform how dictionaries is written or how dictionaries is wrought upon. So like just a simple program it is, like my dictionary. It's just a simple. Okay, this is the way to write a dictionary. Okay, it will just pass on the random or the empty value. So this is the empty value as you see, and here is the feature of Newton School IDE, that you can choose as many of the language you want to code upon. Okay, so I just declared my dictionary, and above that I just created a dictionary, that is my dictionary. And after that I printed the what is my dictionary is all about. So here it is giving me the null brackets. So obviously there is no element in that, it will be giving me the null bracket only. So what if I have a value and we have to assess that value in a particular environment? So next, moving to how to assess. How to assess dictionary. So I told you, like for assessing the dictionary, we always use the indexing, or with another data types are also there to get access to dictionary. So obviously while using dictionary we have use the keys and the value, and everyone being using the get method to get the brackets. So we use in this as a square brackets to just raise the key which is not found in dictionary at all. So writing one of the program to get my dictionary printed. So my dictionary. So here is I am writing a program to assess the dictionary. Name, I am just giving a name, that is Newton. Okay, I just gave this name, and after that again age 26. Okay, so I'll let you know how I'll be printing the dictionary with the certain name age functions. So when I'll print the my dictionary name is obviously given to me. This will be only a simplest part, and a square bracket. I already told you that it will be coming under the square brackets. So here I wrote one program, my dictionary, and after that from my dictionary I just took the name part. That is the name I just printed my dictionary as a name. So it is giving to me the Newton. So what if I print the age? It will be executing at the age. The age I wrote is 26, and the dictionary is giving us the output as the key value as a 26 only. So this is a key and this is a value. Okay, it is obviously being pairing. Okay, so now if I have to address a key, or if I have to get the key in a particular member, so that is possible, but it is not being possible in a particular structure in that. So what if I have to change and add I have to change or add a particular dictionary. Let's see the program of that. Okay, I just write one of my program, that is my dictionary, and after that let me assign some value. Name is Newton or Jack. And after that let me just define the age. Okay, now age, like how the age has been going to that. But now comes, I am updating my dictionary in a single part. Okay, update I'm doing. Okay, so my dictionary, what update I'll be doing is my dictionary age is, I'm not saying my dictionary age like the variable age is being 26. I'm not agreed. I'm just writing to the 27. So now when I print my dictionary, when I'll be printing my dictionary, it will be giving me the age 27, not 26. Although I have made my dictionary as a 26, it will not give me 26 because I have updated my age value as a 27. So now the age will be 27 with a structural form. How it is been done or how it can be depends upon the variable you are being writing upon. Now what if I have to remove an element or remove an element from the dictionary? For removing we always use a pop method because it is a particular use in the dictionary part only, so nothing else has to be get that or not. So let me tell you how to remove an element. So while removing it, any of the method you can write upon for removing or anything. So let me create a dictionary first of all. I'm just creating a dictionary. 1 comma 1. Then it comes 2 comma 2 colon 2 comma 4. I think so. I'll tell you which program it is and how we can indent that. 3 comma 9 416. This is a square. Okay, 16 5 25. This is a square. So for removing the square, I don't need any of the output of the 16. So what I'll do is print square. Okay, then I'll write upon the squares. I think square will be done because square is something else and squares are being defining it. Pop 4. Okay, So here, if I'll be writing it, the element from 4 digits, that is giving me the value of 16. Here how the output is giving to the remove a particular item, required its value and the key. Okay, that how if I wrote over here the value of 5, squares of 5, it will be giving me 25. That how a type error has been done to remove all the errors similarly to 1 or 3 objectives or dejectives. So dejective and objective both are performed similarly, but these all are being defining in the particular structure of that. Okay, so now I'll let you know. So see, if I just writing the 2, it will be giving me the value of 4. Okay, suppose now comes, I wrote the 6 in that. So it will not be giving any value because it's the value is not being defined even in the dictionary also. But when I write the 4, so or to 5 or 25, it will be executing similarly to the words that are being defined as a square part. I hope you understand the concepts of dictionary, how to assess, how to remove it, how to put that update in the dictionaries. So subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for upcoming videos.